In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you forward the whole chat into your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your WhatsApp application. And after that, you just simply have to open any of the chat where you have the conversations or the messages which you would like to forward. I'm opening this chat, and after that you just simply have to select the chat which you would like to forward. Then just simply select all the chats which you would like to forward to some other chat or the person. Just simply tap to this icon into the very top right corner. Just simply select that and select any of the groups or chats where you would like to forward the message, and after that tap to this send button. Then the chat will successfully be forwarded to the person. This way you can easily forward the whole chat by selecting the multiple ones into WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.